Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 1, we made some amazing Kangkong chips. Now, let's finish them off and see how delicious they really are. Rich in antioxidants and nutrients. Kangkong chips aren't just lighter, they're loaded with nutrients most snack foods lack. Water spinach is packed with. Vitamin A supports eye health and boosts immunity. Vitamin C fights inflammation and helps repair tissue. Iron keeps energy levels steady by aiding oxygen flow in blood. Fiber helps digestion and keeps you full longer. Antioxidants in Kangkong, like beta-carotene and flavonoids, combat free radicals that damage cells. These aren't just empty calories, they're snacks that work for your body. Next time you crave something crunchy, think about what each bite offers beyond taste. How to enjoy Kangkong chips. Once you've tasted Kangkong chips, you'll want to eat them every way possible. Their mild, earthy crunch makes them adaptable, perfect for snacking straight from the bag or adding to dishes for extra texture. Serving suggestions. Ideas for pairing with dips, adding to salads, or as a topping for dishes. Kangkong chips elevate simple meals with their crispy texture. Here's how to make the most of them. With dips. Pair them with spicy sriracha mayo, creamy avocado hummus, or a tangy yogurt-based dressing. Their subtle flavor lets dips shine without overpowering them. In salads. Crumble them over fresh greens, mango slices, and grilled chicken for an unexpected crunch. They hold up better than croutons and add a nutritious twist. As a topping. Sprinkle crushed chips on soups, stir-fries, or even avocado toast. They add the same satisfying bite as fried shallots but with less oil. For a quick upgrade, try mixing them into trail mix with nuts and dried fruit, sweet, salty, and crunchy in one handful. Where to buy or how to make at home. You can find Kangkong chips at Asian grocery stores or online through specialty snack retailers. Look for brands with minimal ingredients, just Kangkong, oil, and salt, to keep the flavor clean. Prefer homemade? It's easier than you think. Prep. Wash and dry fresh Kangkong leaves, removing thick stems. Slice. Cut leaves into chip-sized pieces, about 2 inches long. Season. Toss lightly with olive oil, salt, and a pinch of paprika or garlic powder. Bake. Spread in a single layer on a baking sheet. Bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius, for 10 to 12 minutes until crisp, flipping halfway. Store homemade chips in an airtight container to keep them crunchy. If they lose their snap, a quick reheat in the oven, 3 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, revives them. The future of Kangkong chips. Snack trends come and go, but Kangkong chips have staying power. Their blend of crunch, health perks, and versatility positions them for long-term success. As demand for better-for-you snacks grows, these crispy greens are stepping into the spotlight. Market trends and growing demand. Kangkong chips aren't just a regional favorite anymore. Health-conscious consumers worldwide are snapping them up as a smarter alternative to processed snacks. The global market for vegetable-based chips is expanding fast, and Kangkong fits right in. Here's why they're gaining traction. Sustainability. Water spinach grows quickly with minimal resources, making it eco-friendly compared to potato farming. Clean labels. Shoppers want snacks with recognizable ingredients. Kangkong chips often list just 3 leaves, oil, and salt. Dietary inclusivity. They're naturally gluten-free, vegan, and low-calorie, ticking boxes for diverse eating preferences. Look for them in health food stores, gourmet markets, and even mainstream grocery aisles soon. Big brands are already experimenting with their own versions, signaling this isn't just a passing trend. Innovations in flavors and packaging. Boredom is the enemy of snack loyalty. Brands are keeping Kangkong chips exciting with creative twists. Flavors. Think spicy mango lime, truffle salt, or seaweed sesame, bold pairings that highlight the chip's versatility. Organic options. Farms are growing pesticide-free Kangkong specifically for chips, appealing to organic shoppers. Eco-packaging. Compostable bags and recyclable tins are replacing plastic, reducing waste without sacrificing freshness. Small batch producers are leading the charge, but expect bigger players to adopt these innovations as demand grows. The future of Kangkong chips isn't just about being healthy, it's about being irresistible. Kangkong chips are proof that snacks can be both delicious and good for you. They pack a satisfying crunch with fewer calories than potato chips, plus vitamins and fiber that most snack foods lack. Whether you buy them or make your own, their mild flavor pairs well with bold dips or stands alone as a healthier munch. Give them a try. Your next snack break might just get a nutritious upgrade. If you're feeling adventurous, grab some fresh Kangkong and bake a batch. Once you taste them, you'll see why they're more than a trend. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.